Hey guys, figured I'd show you what I found on the Subaru, got the bearing done. This is the old bearing now. This will trip you out because usually these are pressed onto the hub. I've never had one that I've pressed apart and there was no roller bearings on one of the bearings. I want to show you guys this. Now this is supposed to be pressed on, here. Watch this. No. Now, I flipped it over. There's nothing. It totally disintegrated. There's the bearing, as you can see, it got hot. That's the outer, or the inner bearing in the race. But you can see what kind of damage it did. It chewed that to no end. Tore it up. And the race is stuck on there, but the rest of it was gone. That's why it was wobbling around so damn bad. So, thank God I got it done and it didn't let it go to the point where it would have destroyed something. But I figured you guys would get a kick out of that. Yeah. This shows you how bad it was. It's wobbling around on the hub. So, yeah. I just figured I'd share that with you guys and see what you thought. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel and have a good evening. Thank you.